Looking to break into the IT industry? The CompTIA A+ certification is your first step. Recognized globally, it's the gold standard for launching a successful IT career, and there's no better way to earn it than with Ascend Education. The A+ certification isn't just another credential. It's your ticket to jobs like IT support specialist, field technician, or system administrator. 96% of hiring managers prefer certified candidates, and entry-level salaries start at over $50,000. Ascend Education's A+ certification course covers everything you need to know, whether you're an aspiring IT professional or an educator looking for the best resources for your students. From hardware and software troubleshooting to operating systems and cybersecurity basics, our curriculum is designed to help learners succeed in the CompTIA A+ exams and beyond. Instructors can access structured lesson plans, interactive materials, and assessment tools, making it easier than ever to integrate industry-relevant content into their coursework. Our advanced virtual labs are a game changer. You won't just study concepts, you'll practice real-world skills that mirror what you'll encounter on the job. It's learning by doing, not just reading. We get it, life is busy. That's why our courses are self-paced and available 24/7. Whether you're a full-time student or juggling a career, Ascend Education fits your schedule. Learn anytime, anywhere. Here's what you get with our A+ certification course. Video lessons from IT experts with over 15 years of experience. Interactive text-based learning materials. Hands-on virtual labs for real-world scenarios. Practice exams and quizzes to ensure you're test-ready. Why choose Ascend Education? Because we're more than just a course provider, we're your partner in learning. Whether you're an IT professional looking to upskill or an educator seeking high-quality course materials, we have you covered. For instructors, Ascend Education offers comprehensive teaching resources, including customizable dashboards, pre-built assessments, and virtual labs that bring real-world IT training into the classroom. With industry-aligned content, expert instruction, and top-notch support, we help both students and professionals stay ahead in the fast-evolving tech landscape. Our students don't just pass exams, they thrive. Ascend Education has helped thousands of learners kickstart their IT careers with certifications that open doors to better jobs and higher salaries. Wondering if A+ certification is right for you? Here's why you should consider it. It's the most recognized entry-level IT certification. Employers trust it as proof of foundational skills. It opens doors to roles in IT support, network management, and more. Plus, with Ascend Education, you'll have the tools to ace your exam and build the skills to thrive on the job. So, what are you waiting for? Whether you're launching an IT career or equipping your students with the right skills, Ascend Education's A+ certification course is the perfect choice. Join thousands of learners and educators who trust our platform to deliver high-quality, career-focused training. Your future in IT, or the future of your students, starts today.